Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to change dimension units to method. So for example, I will create drawings and I will use the AutoCAD.dw template. This is in inch, so you can click. And if you want to change the dimension units to methods, you can type DWG units, press enter, and the next will be show for the units for length. So this is the number one. It's mean this drawing using the inch as drawing units. So if you want to change to methods, you can change to number 6. So you can type 6, press enter, and then you can enter again to close. Now the dimension units will be changed to methods. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to change dimension units to methods.